It's me, by the way. Yes, I'm trying to figure out the camera. We're at Rockledge Gardens in Rockledge, Florida, and we're going to give you a tour. By we, I mean my wife and I. That is my lovely wife Lucy. The Grants call her Lulu, and together we're Grumpy and Lulu. It's not always about the peppers. Sometimes it's about of being where you're at, and I love this place. The zen of this place is fantastic. I'm not the only one. This person here obviously has been there for a very long time, absolutely enjoying what's going on around them. So we came to Rockledge Gardens on October 30th, the day before Halloween, which is why, you see a hand there. Yes, a hand. Not just a hand, but here we have a very tall, scary looking thing dressed as a mummy with a skeleton next to it. Halloween is a great time, and I realize that this is a couple of days after Halloween, but still, Halloween is a great time. That was my lovely wife Lulu taking photos of this. We're having a good time. Yes, we are. This is a great place to be. So, among other things, they grow things for display purposes, and like what we're seeing here, these are being grown for display purposes. There's actually signage that says that. In a little while, we're gonna walk towards a place where you can actually pick what you want to eat as far as leafy greens or herbs and stuff like that. They do it by the bag, which is really kind of cool. Rockledge Gardens keeps their seeds in this shed. Botanical Gardens is the name brand for the seeds. I love this place. They have a wide variety here. It's very cool to browse. Now, here's a thumbnail sketch of what can be planted in October and November in this part of Florida. If you're looking for something more detailed and you live in Florida, go to on YouTube Space Coast Harvest. The lady there is very informative, and every month she puts something out as far as what can be planted in various parts of Florida. I'd give it a shot. I'll leave a copy of the link down below. So right in through here, we've got some greens coming in that they're selling seedlings. In a little bit, we'll show you the where you can actually pick the herbs. So we're going to zoom through here and down here. You're going to see this in just about every botanical garden or nursery that you go to. Various plants for sale. We've got peppers and tomatoes. Honest to God, at this time of year, peppers and tomatoes coming down and around this corner, right up to what I thought was very interesting, coming right up here. All right, so we're going to approach this, and you will see this is the you pick section. So right through here, you get a bag, you fill your bag up, you carry it. Comes in two sizes. I think it's a small and a large. Small is $3, $5 on the large side. We'll check the other side of the fence. I think they've got a little bit more detail. But this is it. You got herbs, and you've got some leafy greens, and you've got my wife with the camera. This is the things you can pick. You got fennel, and there's a ton of different basil kicking around. It's basil back there. Yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff going on here. Look, not all nurseries are created equal, and I understand that. You're not going to know what your nursery has unless you actually go out and wander around. You don't even have to be in the garden. Just go out and enjoy the sun and check out the local businesses. This particular nursery has an event center. You can come in and plan your event. What I'm coming up on now. I called in advance to make sure that we could do this, and I was informed that there are no events going on, so they had no trouble if I came and recorded it on the property. And check your area out. You never know what you're going to find. You know, somebody has been devoured by their plants. Help me. Help me. Well, that was fun. Now, this is the clearance section that they've got going. So, I'm going to ask you to please be patient while we peruse this for just a moment. We bring you back to our regularly scheduled tour. Coming up, we have this nice little water display, waterfall kind of a thing. I like it, and I'm going to just let you ponder this for just a moment. And moving right along, this is a lovely plant that is right next to the water display we just saw. It's called a cordyline red sister, or red sister cordyline. All right, so in here we have a little bamboo hideaway that I think is kind of neat. There's a little water display as well, and some sort of bizarre Halloween thing. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Hulk hands and a pumpkin head and a cap. The sign says, "Hello, my name is 11 and I'm ready for battle." I don't know what that means, but look at this bamboo. It's gorgeous, right? I love bamboo, and it's versatile. And here we have my gorgeous wife, Lulu, or Lucy as I call her. Lulu as her grandkids call her. She's quite happy that I'm photographing her. So, yeah, there we go. All right, so that's our thumbnail sketch tour of Rockledge Gardens. I love this place. It helps, calm my mind down. And I encourage you all to find that part of you that helps you to calm down. Find your inner zen. In the meantime, folks, I hope you have a great time doing your thing. I realize it's taking a little bit for this segment to come out. I will have another one coming out next week. Have a good one. Bye. Happy belated Halloween.